coming into the last days of August. We got a little red on the screen. Not surprising, really. I mean, we had the massive rally on Friday based on the Federal Reserve, right? So Jackson Hole, Mr. Powell, finally, I don't believe he surrendered or succumbed to the pressure of the administration and the president. I believe the economic data and the table that was set and the bag that was unpacked called for the cuts that we now know are going to be happening September, December, probably maybe as much as 100 basis points, according to Bullard over the weekend, talking about 100 basis point cut by year end, okay? He may be actually the next Fed president. Now, what happened today? Mr. Powell laid out the table, I mean, quite beautifully. It really felt like he was completely giving us a policy pivot here. Based on all the economic data that had come out, unemployment up from 4.1 to 4.2, jobs weaker, the economy showing some weakness, that probably is a big function of tariffs. The impact that it's having on the consumer, on the companies, on the economy in general is setting the stage for the necessity for the Fed to cut rates. Okay, that's what it is. How aggressive they're going to be, we still don't know. But the initial knee-jerk reaction was a super positive one. We were up over 1,000 on the Dow on Friday, up over 1,220 points on the S&P, trading at record range across the board. It was just like buy everything in sight. Crypto, gold, equities, futures, options, whatever it was, they were buying them on Friday. Now, that was a function of a lot of things. Finally getting with that relief rally that the market needed. We have been sort of trading on a flat line, sort of summer doldrum mode, waiting for what is the next shoe to drop or the next thing to support a catalyst on the way up, and that's what we got. We got what the market was looking for in a cut, very possibly. Earnings coming out Wednesday, all eyes will be on NVIDIA for Wednesday. Where NVIDIA goes, that's where the market goes in absence of anything else that's sort of, marinating inside the marketplace. So that's where we are. Look, if you want to learn how to trade futures, Wall Street Global Trading Academy, Apex Trader Funding, and then we've got a masterclass webinar tomorrow night, Tuesday night. That is with BK Partners, David Green, my teacher, my mentor, my friend from Wall Street Global Trading Academy and BK Partners. We're all getting together to talk futures, talk volatility, talk markets, talk trading, just talking. So there's so much on the agenda. We are busy, we are rocking, we are rolling, and it's time to get in the game. Do not be sitting on the sidelines any longer. You need help, DM me the word wild and crazy. I'll connect you to the solution. Giddy up.